The all-new Supertop Ultra from Bestop brings groundbreaking convenience and ease of use to your Wrangler JK. The Supertop Ultra features a new enhanced design to the very popular Sunrider sunroof feature. Gas struts make the operation easier than ever. No more excuses for not enjoying a beautiful day. Most notably, the exclusive guide track system allows the Supertop Ultra top to retract faster than any other soft top in just seconds. Release the two handles on either side and slide the top into the rear cargo area for the iconic open-air driving the Wrangler is known for. Patent-pending lift assist springs allow for the top to convert from fully retracted to Sunrider position with just a push. Driving a Jeep Wrangler is about options and freedom to enjoy and explore, and the Supertop Ultra offers four different conversion options to tailor your experience to the conditions or just your mood. Fully enclosed, Sunrider open, Safari-style bikini, or fully open. Supertop Ultra, ultimate versatility with minimum hassle. The most advanced top technology available now for your JK Wrangler.